Welcome to another journey through geologic time. Today, we're diving deep into the formation of one of the most iconic and studied fault lines in the world, the San Andreas Fault in California. But this isn't just a crack in the earth. It's the result of millions of years of powerful geological forces and collisions of massive tectonic plates. Let's rewind the clock. 30 million years ago, during the Cenozoic era, the west coast of North America looked very different. At that time, the Earth's crust was a patchwork of tectonic plates, slowly shifting on top of the mantle. Two of these plates were especially important in our story, the Farallon Plate and the North American Plate. The Farallon Plate, made of dense oceanic crust, was undergoing a process called subduction. That means it was sinking below the continental North American Plate. This subduction zone created intense volcanic activity and helped shape the early landscapes of western North America. But the story doesn't stop there. To the west of the Farallon Plate was another plate, the Pacific Plate, and between them was a spreading center, a sort of undersea factory where new crust was constantly being formed. As the Farallon Plate moved, this spreading center moved with it toward the subduction zone. This was a game changer. Eventually, the spreading center itself began to get pulled beneath the North American plate. But spreading centers aren't like regular ocean crusts. They're hot, active, and dynamic. As it disappeared beneath the continent, it disrupted the entire plate system. The results, a new type of boundary was born. Rather than one plate diving beneath another, the Pacific plate began sliding horizontally past the North American plate. This movement created a new kind of fault, called a transform boundary, and this boundary is what we know as the San Andreas Fault. But what kind of fault is the San Andreas exactly? It's a right lateral strike slip fault. That means if you stand on one side of the fault and look across, the land on the opposite side is moving to the right. This movement isn't smooth or gentle. It builds up pressure over time until it's suddenly released in a form of earthquakes, like the infamous 1906 San Francisco quake. Over the past 30 million years, the San Andreas Fault has continued to grow and evolve. Today, it stretches over 1,200 kilometers or 750 miles through California from the Salton Sea to Cape Mendocino. It's also part of a much larger fault system, which has shaped the geography of western North America. The fault has helped pull apart Baja California from mainland Mexico and played a role in forming a basin and arranged a region full of ridges and valleys. The earth is always changing beneath our feet, and the San Andreas Fault is a powerful reminder of that motion. It's not just a line on a map, it's a living, shifting scar in the crust created by an epic clash of tectonic giants. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment below. What other geological wonders should we explore next?
Já tá preparada pra fuder sua safada. Sentando na piroca, sua piranha safada.